Hi, this video is as of June 2023, and we're going to discuss what do you do with your leftover motor oil in Maui County if you do-it-yourself oil change and then you have a container full of oil. Well, it turns out that the Maui County resources aren't accurate as to who will accept this motor oil. So you go to Walmart and you're going to purchase a low cost oil and do it yourself, and probably cost you $30 to change your oil versus $130. But you can't get rid of your oil. You go to Napa, you go to the other sites, and they're not taking oil. And so the only place that I've found, and I used to do Napa before, but they stopped doing it, and all the other places don't accept it. So it's Maui Land Fill that you can do, which is about 2-minute or 3-minute drive from Kahului. And you just drive over there and they have a bucket that you just pour your oil into from your container. You take your container with you. They never charged me to check out the hours and everything, but that's the only place that I've seen that will accept it. But sometimes the guy says their containers get full and then they won't accept that. So you won't be able to, you got to hold on to your oil if you want to recycle. Anyway, I'm just going to real quickly show you my experience, and good luck with your DIY oil changes in Maui County. So here's the landfill area where people are coming into the landfill. In the extreme left-hand lane at the Maui dump landfill. It's blowing really hard here. And it looks like I gotta pay $4 cash to return my oil. I'm gonna go check in with them. Is you dump that in there and then you just sign that thing, and then that's pretty much it, and we're done.